Good morning children. How you all are? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 62. Now I am going to start exercise 63. Let us start the class. Okay. See that exercise 63. First one, 17 lakh plus 8,000 plus 9. Okay. What is 17 lakh? 8 thousands and 9. If you add 9,008,071, so it's nothing but 17 lakh 8,009. 17 lakh 8,009. See the next one children. Second one. 6,012,000 452. 452. 6,012,452. So if you write the place values, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. What is the question? 6,012,000. 6,012,452. 452. See the third one. 76 into 25 equal to how much? If you multiply 76 with 100 by 4. 100 by 4. 4 ones 4. Remainder 3 will be 4 9s 36. So 90 into 100. 90 into 100 nothing but 1900s is the answer. 1900s is the answer. See the next one children. See the fourth one amma. 20 into 500 equal to 1000 plus something. 20 into 500 equal to 1000 plus something. If you multiply 20 into 500s, children listen, 2 5s 10 and reminder 1 2 3 zeros are there, put those 3 zeros. Now it is 10,000, but here they are asking it as 1000 plus something. So 10,000s minus 1000. 0 0 0 and it is 10. Now it is 0. 10 minus 1, 9,000 is the answer. See the fifth one children. 270 divided by 90 into 14 equal to something. If you divide 270 with 90, first divide 270 with 90 and 0 0 get cancelled. 9 ones 9 3s 27. So 3 is the answer. Again you have to multiply this answer with 14. So 14 3s, 3 4s 12, 3 ones 3 plus 1 4. 42 is the answer. 42 is the answer. See the next one, sixth one. Convert 7,200 seconds to hours. How many hours? Okay, 7,200 seconds to how many hours? 1 hour contains 60 minutes and 1 minute contains 60 seconds. So simply to find 1 hour to how many seconds means 60 into 60 seconds. We don't know that 60 and 60. First you have to convert that into minute and then into second. So here 7,200 seconds divided by 60 into 60. Okay. If you divide with that, those many hours you will get the as answer. Okay. 0, 0 cancel. Here also 0 and here also 0. 6 ones 6. 6 1 6 reminder 1 will be 6 2s 12. 6 2s 12 and 12 by 6 6 1 6 6 2s 12. So it's nothing but 2 hours is the answer. It's nothing but 2 hours is the answer. See the sixth one amma, seventh one. 1 by 5 of 65 plus 1 by 3 of 33 equal to how much? First 1 by 5 of 65. 5 ones 5, remainder 1 5 3 is 15. Answer is 13. Again 1 by 3 of 33. 3 ones 3, 3 ones 3. Answer is 11. Here they are asking us to add those two answers. That means that 13 and 11. 13 plus 11, 24 is the answer. See the 8th one. The room of the area of your room, which is 16 meter long and 9 meters broad, is how many square meters? Listen children, here they given how much length and how much breadth is there. Length of the room was given, length L equal to 16 meter and the breadth B equal to 9 meters. Here they are asking us to find the area of the room. It is a rectangular space room. So area of rectangle is L into B. It's nothing but 16 into 9. 16 9 is 144 square meters. 16 meter into 9 meter, it's nothing but 144 square meters. Okay children, see the 9th one. It's about the BODMAS rule. 3 into 8 plus 4 by 5 of 30 minus 28. This sum is about the BODMAS rule. So first you have to simplify brackets was not given. Next of means multiplication. First imply that rule. 4 by 5 of means of 30 minus 20. First simplify this one. If you simplify 3 into 8 plus 3 4 by 5 of 30 means 5 ones 5 6 are 30. 4 6 are minus 28. If you observe 3 8s 24 plus 4 6 are 24 minus 28. 24 plus 24 48 minus 28. It's nothing but 20 is the answer. See the last one children. They given 3 by 4 meter of cloth. 10th one. 3 by 4 meters of cloth costs rupees 3 rupees 60 paisa. The cost of 1 meter is 3 by 4 meter cloth cost was given and they are asking us to find 1 meter cloth. So cost of 3 by 4 meter cloth equal to 3 rupee 60 paisa. 3 rupee 60 paisa. Here cost of 1 meter cloth they are asking. 1 meter cloth they are asking. That means that 3 rupees 60 paisa divided by the 3 by 4 meter. 3 rupees 60 paisa divided by 3 by 4 meter. Then here it is in the division symbol. Now first we have to convert the division symbol into multiplication. While converting that division symbol into multiplication, the divisor get reciprocal. The divisor get reciprocal. Reciprocal means interchange of numerator and denominator. So this 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3. Here 3 ones 3. Point. As usual you have to drop that point in 3 table. 3 2s 6, 3 zeros 0. So it's nothing but 1 rupee 20 paisa into 4. So 4 zeros 0, 4 2s 8, 4 ones 4. So it's nothing but 4 rupee 80 paisa is the cost of 1 meter cloth. Cost of 1 meter cloth. Children, cost of 1 meter cloth 4 rupee 80 paisa. Okay children, in the next class we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye ma.